botanist Utkarsh Chandra Bitan. Today I'll be taking you with me to take a look to some of my favorite plants. This beauty right here is Araucaria. It is a gymnosperm and commonly known as monkey puzzle. It was very common in the Jurassic era. Araucaria are long living and some are even older than 1600 years. Lantana camara is a species of flowering plants within the verbena family, native to the American tropics. It is non-native exotic breed. In the language of flowers, lantana represents rigor. The botanical name of this plant is Catharanthus roseus, and it is a native of Madagascar. It is commonly known as Sadabahar, and it is used as an anti-cancer drug for blood cancer. Quassia ovate is commonly known as the lucky plant or the jade plant. It is a kind of succulent and its leaves are oval in shape. It is a native to South Africa. Thuja can be called more punky and it is a gymnosperm. It was usually used to treat scurvy as its sap has high content of vitamin C. Garandus, also known as Garunda, commonly used to make pickles. Callistemon get their names from the spikes of their flowers. They are called bottle brush plants. They bloom over a long summer in shades of red and crimson. Ficus bengalensis, commonly known as banyan tree. It is pollinated only by its own species of tiny wasps. Their prop roots can tolerate the weight of the whole tree. Aza directa indica. It is commonly known as neem. It is a very fast-growing tree. The pinnates trees are purple and red, but they turn green when they mature. The plant below is Monstera deliciosa. Chylotropis produces a bitter-tasting substance called cardioglycosides in order to prevent getting eaten. It has a cluster of waxy flowers that are white or lavender in color. It is native to Southeast Asia. Plumera alba. It is the national flower of Laos. This shrub has a strongly perfumed white flower with a yellow center. It is considered a symbol of luck. Dalbazia siso. It is also known as the Indian rosewood. It has compound leaves and pink white flowers which occur in dense clusters. Ficus religiosa. It is also known as the Bodhi tree. It is a species of fig native to Indian subcontinent. It has a religious significance in the Indian religion. This is a tree under which Gautam Buddha is believed to have attained enlightenment. Mimosa pudica. It has an unusual habit to shrink its leaves when touched. It is a sensitive plant. Seeds of this plant are light brown in color. Hi everybody! Did you guys know that quinoa is a hybrid which was first created in the Citrus Organization of California? It is highly cultivated in Punjab. Phyllanthus embolica, also known as amla. It is commonly known as Indian gooseberry. The taste of the greenish yellow fruit is sour and is quite fibrous. Carica papaya. It is a dioecious branch tree. The fruit is large cylindrical berry, has numerous black seeds.
Hey guys, it's me, Bremen Brock, singer.
Yellow rose. These roses are considered as a symbol of friendship and optimism. Yellow rose. Pink roses are generally used to express admiration or joy or gentleness. Peach rose. They convey a meaning of modesty, genuineness, sincerity, or gratitude.